Hi everyone, there is me Jules from Asymptotes, and in this video I will preview to you a new game on this YouTube channel, and that is of course Collision Avoid game in Unity. So this is a new tutorial on this channel, and in this tutorial we will create a one very nice and very simple 3D game using Unity Engine 2020. So I will go here shortly and preview to you what we will make. So you see that we have here one simple cube, and actually the purpose is just to avoid these obstacles, and I hit one currently, and yeah, this is the purpose of this game. So we need to avoid these obstacles in order to succeed in this game. So this is a very simple 3D game that is actually very useful whenever you wanted to create this kind of games. This tutorial of this game will help you out definitely. So you will learn here a lot of cool things that is connected with this avoiding collision objects and so on and so forth. So I will try now to simply win in this game, and man, I cannot succeed in my own game, and yeah, I avoid all of these obstacles. And we see here a text that show up to us that level is complete. We also see here in the console that console says to us that it is well done. And yeah, you can also use this concept to create some kind of, whenever you for example finish your game, finish your level, succeed in that level, you can in this concept of the console create some cool particle effects that can show up on your screen, so on and so forth. So as I said, the purpose is to learn some tips of coding, some tips of optimization in the game, and some concepts that you help out, that you can use in your later on projects. So that was a short preview in this game. Now we will, as always in first video, create the project and organize that same project. So stay tuned for that, guys. Hi guys, as I said, we will now also organize the project in this video. So we will import some prefabs that I have prepared before developing this game from scratch. I have prepared this ground, obstacle and player for our level 1 here scene. So now we see that currently here in this empty project we just have this prefabs folder and scenes folder, and yeah, that is that. And as I said, we will import these prefabs that I have created in order to you do not have to bore yourself with positioning these, with creating, scaling and so on and so forth. So when we take for example this ground, we will import this ground in our scene. And yeah, we see here in our options of the ground that there are different options. So we see that actually the scale is 15 for the X, and on the Y is 1, and I think this is the perfect values. But for the Z we need to decrease 2 zeros because this was 100,000, but this is very large number. For the scaling on the Z axis we need to put that on 1000, and I think this is enough. So guys, you can make this ground longer or short this ground however you want. This depends upon exactly on you. So I put this on 100, and I think this is enough. Then we need to import also an obstacle that will be also here put it to the ground, and also our player. So when I take our player also along with our obstacle, we see that now we imported everything here that we needed to import, because everything else we will design here, we will copy and paste, and everything else then we will code out in our Qt Visual Studio. So that was that guys for the importing. Now we need to change the color for this obstacle and the player. We do not want this pink color to be. I do not, because I don't like this color. We are not some little girls. Yeah, we are going here into the assets, then right click, go to create and choose a material for our two game objects. So then we are going here into the shaders. So we are going to change this shader from the standard to the unlit, and we are going to just choose this unlit, then unlit, and then color, and then we are going here to the main color and choose whichever color we want. For the player we want that to be a red color, so no completely red but some kind of this soft red color. and I think this is enough. So I will simply now rename this material to be a red material. So I will pass here red material by hard coding, and then we are going to attach this red material on our player in order to our player change the color to this red color. Then we also need one more material, so I will simply go again here, go to the create and create a new material, which is going to be green material, and you can suppose this is going to be, so I made a mistake here, this is going to be for our obstacle. And yeah, in the same way like for our player material, we are going to choose here unlit and then color, and then we are going, as the name says, we are going to pass here some again soft green material for our cute obstacle right here, and just attach this. And yeah, I like to organize my project as always, so I'm going to create a folder for our materials just like this, take our two materials and drag and drop to our materials folder. So I talk about this organization in the project, this is very important. And yeah, that is that, guys, for this video. And yeah, in the next video I will show you how you can design this level, but I think you already know how to design this. So this is just moving these obstacles, copy and pasting these obstacles, moving one into another, moving then some other collection of obstacles later on, just to make some number of our obstacles in order to we can pass that, and in order to we can finish our level. That was that for this video. We just previewed the game, organize the project here, import everything that we needed to import here. Everything else is, as I said, copy and pasting and coding. So in the next video I will show you how I design my level, which will not be something special, and you will see that, guys. And also there might be some coding, but I'm not sure for that next video. But as I said, that was that for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you can like or subscribe, that will help this channel. So stay tuned for the next video, guys.